The 2011 Audi A1 Competition Kit. The newly released Audi A1 is a small city car that looks much better running around city streets than it does being in the middle of a competitive environment. It's like one of those domesticated show dogs that everybody loves, yet feels incredulously uncomfortable when it finds itself outside of his comfort zone. But as the time-honored adage would say, there's no such thing as a sure thing, otherwise, we'd all be living boring lives. That being said, while the A1 looks pretty comfortable in its own city nice, all you need to do is come up with the right competition package to transform it from a cutesy compact car to a machine on wheels. As a tribute to the 1987 Audi S1 Sport Quattro, Audi launched a competition package for the newly launched Audi A1. Both the interior and exterior of the car uses the same colors that Audi Motorsport used to dress all theirs, with a combination of white and orange. The interior gets decorative trim on the air vents, the center console, the door handles and the interior mirror. The floor mats also received matching graphic print, while the sport's leather steering wheel, gear lever and handbrake grip get colored highlights. Updated March 25, 2010, Audi revealed today the first official video for the A1 Competition Kit. Check it out.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.